Welcome to FirstWord Pharma's News Roundup for April 17th, brought to you today by editorial researcher Olivia Roger. In our top news story, Sanofi entered exclusive negotiations to sell its European generics business Zentiva to private equity firm Advent International for 1.9 billion euros. Sanofi, which is looking to divest the unit as part of its strategy to reshape the company, noted that Advent's offer is firm, binding, and fully financed. Also in the news, first quarter sales of Johnson & Johnson's prescription drugs jumped 19.4% to $9.8 billion, driven by new products and the addition of Actelion. The company now expects full-year sales in the range of between $81 billion and $81.8 billion, up from earlier guidance of $80.6 billion to $81.4 billion. In other news, the FDA granted breakthrough therapy designation to Roche's Hemlibra for people with hemophilia A without factor VIII inhibitors. Last year, the therapy was approved in the U.S. to prevent or reduce the frequency of bleeding episodes in adults and children with hemophilia A with factor VIII inhibitors. In addition, Astellas plans to invest $1.9 billion over the next 3 years to boost its pipeline via the acquisition of startup companies. The move comes as Astellas faces patent expiries next year on its overactive bladder treatments Vesicare and Betanis. And finally, Bristol-Myers Squibb and Johnson & Johnson entered a global collaboration to develop a factor XIa inhibitor program for the prevention and treatment of major thrombotic conditions. Under the deal, the drug makers will advance Bristol-Myers Squibb's BMS-986177 to mid-stage development in the second half of 2018 for secondary stroke prevention. To read these and other stories in full, please visit FirstWordPharma.com.
Are you able to keep up with all the news and views in the biosimilars market? FirstWord's Biosimilar Index is the only dedicated biosimilar and non-comparable biologics intelligence tool available. Get ahead of your competition and learn more today.